Hey there, Jackie B with Math Hop by Jackie B. And even though it's the middle of summer, I am working on Halloween escape rooms. So, Halloween, since it's the first holiday we come up against in the school year, I like to make fun escape rooms for Halloween. So, Halloween themed escape rooms for those topics the kids need all the help they can get with. So, let me make this screen a little bit bigger for you. You're going to, if you've seen my escape rooms before, it's going to look very familiar. There's going to be a scenario about how they ended up in a haunted pumpkin patch, and the students are going to have to click on items within the patch to find clues. So let's start clicking on items. So once they click on an item, they're going to find two binomials to multiply. In this case, the entire thing is on multiplying binomials. They will record their answer on a piece of paper and click return to the patch. They'll keep looking for objects and items. They'll write down clue number 2 and the answer to clue number 2. This is actually going to ask them for the coefficient of the linear term, so the number where the square goes, and the constant, so what goes where the green circle is. So they'll have to pay attention to how they're supposed to write down their answers. And I promise you there are some decoys in here. So let's find a decoy. And this is a decoy. So when they get to a decoy, decoys are just supposed to be fun. They get to a decoy, there's nothing for them to do but return to the patch. So that's all. It's just not everything is a clue. When they have found all 13 clues, they're going to click on the haunted house to escape, which is a little twisted, I know, and they're going to come to a lock. They're going to go ahead and put their name in, tell them to put their first and last name in because it's going to be easier for you to find their answers, and it will literally ask them for the answers to each of the clues, and it will give them hints as to how to put it in or directions on how to put it in, depending on if it's an integer or a fraction or what have you. Then they are going to, when they put all 13 in, they're going to get this little message that says they've escaped. They can then submit it. Some teachers just have them take screenshots and turn this in. There's also a digital worksheet for them to put the clue answers in. So some teachers just have them turn in the digital worksheet with a screenshot of this. I have my kids submitted, then you can request access to the lock and you will see all of their responses. So either way, this is a super fun way for kids to practice multiplying binomials, and let's face it, the more practice they get with multiplying binomials, the better. In fact, the only thing they need more help with is factoring trinomials, which I also have a Halloween escape room on that. So check out my store, Teachers Pay Teachers, Math Hop by Jackie B. Thanks so much for watching.